Hi, my name is Rona Dolero and I am from the Philippines. I am a dedicated customer service professional with 2 years of experience providing phone, email, and chat support in a fast-paced BPO environment. Throughout my career, I've helped customers resolve billing concerns, technical issues, and account inquiries while maintaining professionalism and empathy even in challenging situations. I take pride in listening carefully, communicating clearly, and finding solutions that leave customers feeling valued. I'm also experienced in tools like Zendesk, Google Workspace, and AI productivity tools, which helps me stay organized and deliver efficient support. As someone who is detail oriented, dependable, and quick to learn, I adapt easily to new systems and processes. I am excited to bring my customer service expertise, positive attitude, and a strong work ethic to your team. Thank you for considering my application, and I look forward to the opportunity to be contributing to your company's success.